Figure AI has unveiled its third-generation humanoid robot, designed specifically for mass production. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Saturday, October 11th, 2025. Today, Figure 03 humanoid hits the market, and it's not a prototype. It's built for the factory floor. Figure's Bot Q will scale to 12,000 units annually, which means home robots could go from rare demos to common appliances. Show Figure 03 loading dishwashers and folding laundry. T-Apex's Tenix is already proving robots can replace niche equipment. 75 miles per hour serves and 1,000 adaptive drills show sports robotics is real. At sea, Redwing began a 45,000-mile autonomous circumnavigation that could rewrite ocean and climate models. Back home, companies like Ncord, Micro One, and Scale AI are paying people up to $150 an hour to film chores. Human motion data is now premium. On the industry side, SoftBank bought ABB's robotics arm, Unitree briefly listed on Walmart, Intel pushed Panther Lake chips for humanoids, Deep Robotics launched all-weather units, and Boston Dynamics improved Atlas hands. That combo speeds production, distribution, and visibility, and forces urgent questions about jobs, safety, and data control. Tesla even sent Optimus to spar with Jared Leto, proving robots are now cultural actors. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about the robot revolution ahead in the comments, give this video a like, and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.